write you today. Can't get out your own way. Well, hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm hiding out in the sun. I'm getting everyone done. Just me and no one. Here I come, here I come, here I come. Just call me the roller. I'll squeeze and unfold, yeah. Call me the roller. I just go to show, yeah. So you've been crawling through a maze, an alcohol lemon haze. I've been watching you for days. You've been out of sight. Alright, alright. I'll take you somewhere you never need be. I'll give you something you never need feel. The only thing is, everything is real tonight, tonight, tonight. Just call me the roller. I'll squeeze and unfold, yeah. Call me the roller. I just go to show, yeah. Just call me the roller. I'll come blow you over. Call me the roller. I'll please you to know, yeah. She moves like she don't care. Smooth as silk, cool as air. Ooh, it makes you wanna cry. She doesn't know your name, and your heart beats like a subway train. Ooh, it makes you wanna die. Ooh, don't you wanna take her? You wanna make her all your own. Maria, you've gotta see her. Go insane, you know her. Regina, Ave Maria. A million and one candlelights. Ooh, don't you wanna make her? And don't you wanna take her home? I've seen this thing before in my best friend and the boy next door. Fool for love, fool on fire. Well, coming from the rain, she's oceans running down the drain. Blue as ice and desire. Ooh, don't you wanna break her? Don't you wanna take her